there, gardening enthusiasts! Are you looking to add a new crop to your garden this season? Maybe something nutritious, easy to grow, and super beneficial for your soil? Well, today we're diving into the world of oats. That's right, I'll be showing you everything you need to know to start oat seeds in your very own garden. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned gardener, oats are an excellent choice. Stick around because by the end of this video, you'll be ready to grow your very own oats from scratch.
1. Why grow oats?
Oats aren't just for breakfast. They're a versatile crop that's great for improving soil health, feeding livestock, or even for your own pantry. Oats are packed with nutrients, and they're a great cover crop too. Plus, they're relatively low maintenance, making them perfect for any gardener looking to expand their horizons. 2. When and where to plant oats. Oat seeds. Ideally, you want to plant oats in early spring or late summer. They thrive in cooler temperatures, so timing is key. If you live in a cooler climate, you might even get away with planting oats twice a year. Make sure to choose a spot with full sun and well-drained soil. Oats like a good amount of sunlight to grow strong and healthy. 3. Preparing the soil. All right, let's talk about soil prep. Oats are pretty forgiving, but they'll do best in soil that's been well prepared. Start by loosening the soil with a garden fork or tiller. Add some compost or organic matter to boost the soil's fertility. Oats don't need a ton of nutrients, but a little boost at the beginning can make a big difference. 4. Sowing the seeds. Now for the fun part. You'll want to scatter the seeds evenly across your prepared soil. Don't worry about being too precise. Oats don't mind a bit of crowding. Aim for about 1/4 to 1/2 inch deep and gently rake the soil to cover them. Give the area a good watering to help the seeds settle in. 5. Caring for your oats. Oats are pretty low maintenance, but there are a few things you can do to ensure a healthy crop. Keep the soil consistently moist, especially during germination. Once the plants are established, they can tolerate a bit of drought, but regular watering will give you the best results. Also, keep an eye out for weeds, especially when the oats are young. Weeding early on will help your oats grow without competition. 6. Harvesting your oats. Your oats will be ready to harvest about 60 to 75 days after planting, depending on the variety. You'll know they're ready when the plant turns a golden color and the seeds feel firm to the touch. To harvest, simply cut the stalks close to the ground and let them dry out completely before threshing. 7. Wrapping up. And there you have it, everything you need to know to get started with growing oats. Whether you're growing them for food, feed, or just as a cover crop, oats are a fantastic addition to any garden. And I promise you'll be amazed at how easy and rewarding it can be. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more gardening tips, and ring that notification bell so you never miss an update. Drop a comment below if you have any questions or if you've grown oats before. I'd love to hear about your experience. And I'll see you in the next video.